Hey guys, so it's me, Kiani. In today's video, I'm back with the favorites video. Oh my god. This is going to be my favorites video for the month of May. Your girl is back. To recap, the month of May was hell. Yeah, I said it. It was. The month of April was hell. Yeah, I said it. But your girl is on the mend. If you have missed me, that means that you are not following me on Instagram, so you have no idea what's going on. There are 2 videos that I will link in the description box to give you a full detail of where I've been, what's been going on, so you can, catch up. But if you are here for favorites, these are the things that, after everything that was going on the past 2 months, that I still fell in love with, and I found a way to make myself feel somewhat like my old self. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into my favorites of the month of May. End of April, May. Let's get to it. First, you guys know that I am a wig wearer, but today, honey, we are rocking our natural tresses. I think our curls are on the mend. Like, they are starting to look like days of old, a little bit thicker. The hair is much darker than it has been in the past, much darker than what I typically like, but the styling products of choice have come from none other than the MakeUPbyKiani line. The leave-in conditioner, which I've talked and raved about over and over and over on my channel before, this product has been the product that's pulled me away from any other leave-in conditioner. This is my go-to leave-in product of choice because I can really saturate my hair, and I can feel if on the ends the hair is not doing what it needs to. If I have some like straights and stragglies that are just kind of hanging around, if this coats it and the hair is still straight, then I know it's time for her to be trimmed. And I just absolutely love how this leaves my hair light enough that I can get a good fullness all the way around the hair. But because it is registering about 102 degrees right here in Georgia right now, I still need to use something to give those ends a little bit of hold to minimize as much of the frizz as possible. The product of choice has been the Curl Sculptor. This again is by MakeUPbyKiani. I don't need a lot of this product. I only use it on the ends of my hair, but that's how you get this beautiful ringlet definition that kind of, you can see it's really light. I don't have a hard cast on it, like I can move it around, I can kind of shift the hair. She will just grow and grow, but it won't be like a boom, no definition type hairstyle. Those 2 products I absolutely love because I can layer them and I kind of know how much to use with each one of those. So I think I've actually gotten my new anti-frizz type routine down, so let me know in the description box if you guys want to see that, because you know what, I think mama has it down. So that's the hair products, loving them. Lastly, I'd have to give another nod to another product from the MakeUPbyKiani line. This is the MakeUPbyKiani Morning After Redefining Foam. This has been the product that, kind of like round the sides I need to use when makeup kind of gets in there and the hair kind of goes a little limp. It kind of curls them back up around the side, gives me that density that I need. And then sometimes when the diffuser hits my hair a little too heavy, and I kind of create this little bit of underneath frizz, which I kind of need, but I don't want it to turn into like a super fur ball. I kind of just grab a little bit of that, mend that hair back together, and boom, we no longer look like we have a poof ball starting. Oh my god, and I keep saying I'm going to move away from hair, but I mean, we have to address the head of hair in the room. This tiny afro pick, oh my god, this pick has changed my life, and I want to show you guys. Most afro picks that people use is this size, but my hair is super thin, super fine. So this pick, can you see the difference in size here? This tiny pick fits in a crossbody purse. It fits in the back of your pocket, my jeans. But the best of all, with it being half the size, I get half the amount of frizz with this. Oh my god. I can literally just pick it exactly in the areas where I want that lift. And honey, oh honey, she has changed my life. Instead of me trying to go in and pick hair that I don't really have, I mean, like imagination, no, my imagination is that good and my fro is not that good either. So we typically stick with this small pick. This is the one that would make me tear up my house if it disappears. So yeah, a smaller pick. Those are my styling tips right now for my favorites of the month of April and May as far as hair and all natural hair things go. And now let's go ahead and jump into skincare. I have a new favorite moisturizer right now that's on the horizon, and this product is coming in from Twinmedix. Twinmedix is the brand that brought us Embryolisse, the moisturizer. That has since been discontinued. This is the product that I've been obsessed with. It is their Pro Refined Moisturizer. It's infused with vitamins B5 and jojoba oil, and hydrogenized with hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is the product that you guys hear me talk about all the time. That's also inside of my Advanced Night Repair, which is a moisture binder. It locks in your own skin's moisture, which is a great attribute for anti-aging skin or anti-aging properties. This is a nourishing moisturizer, and it's a prep, prime, and moisturizer. So it's a 3-in-1. Perfect for this time of the year, so you don't have to use layers and layers and layers and layers and layers of skincare before you go out the door. But at the same time, you want to kind of give your skin a little bit of moisture, a little bit of priming, because again, we're registering 102 degrees here. And this product, I have tried at AM and PM. It does state for that, and it's supposedly for all skin types. I think this is going to be fantastic even if you have oily skin, because it's just enough moisture to make sure that your skin doesn't over secrete oil. But as far as for me and my dry skin, it is paraben, cruelty, and fragrance free, which is all great because with my skin being super dry, this has been my go-to moisturizer for the past couple months, and I am obsessed with it. So yes, definitely big thanks to Twinmedix for sending me that amazing gift pack. Next, let's move into my newest glam, okay? And this lash and you guys, I apologize, like this is a new set of lashes. I don't know why this one is kind of folding in, and yeah, I don't know why. I might need to start curling my lashes or something, but right now it's looking real wonky on camera. But you know, we're gonna get this video done, okay? So if you're noticing that lash is falling, girl, it ain't my fault. It was just a bad set of lashes, okay? Give your girl a break. How I've been getting this glam, you guys, I have talked about Infallible. This is I've talked about Rewind Kiani. Okay. I have talked about the Loreal Infallible line since it dropped, and we're talking about 3-4 years ago when they came out with the real heavy pro matte one. But this line right here, oh my god, this full wear concealer and this 24-hour fresh wear foundation, match made in heaven. The glam that I'm wearing right now, oh my god, these two products. And I'm talking about humidity control, photographs beautifully, lays on the skin absolutely stunningly, no skipping, no bleeding. Did I say that it withstands hot temperatures? Oh my god, these two products, the concealer and the foundation, I'm obsessed with it. I use the concealer as a standalone product sometimes I just use the foundation. Today I actually use them together. Oh my god, if you have not tried the L'Oreal Infallible line, especially the fresh wear and the new concealer, this is the perfect time for you to try it in their drugstore. So we're talking about both of these. It's coming in, I would say it's probably hitting around the $20 to $25 price range, which is actually great for a concealer and a foundation. Great for me when I'm at home and just kind of running about. And I don't know, I'm gonna probably put that in my travel bag to see what you guys say about it when I'm doing show work. Can we get that about 13, 14 hours? We're gonna test it on the road. You know, make sure you're following my Instagram. Let's see, next up, as far as this contour, you guys, I recently reintroduced to you guys another product from Mixed Chicks, which is their Mixed Chicks in the Mix Foundation and Bronzer Sticks. Oh my god. The products they come in 5 different colors, you can see them. So you're getting a foundation and a bronzer on the same stick. These are phenomenal for travel. I've done a full video for Mixed Chicks about 2 years ago. We just reintroduced them, so there's going to be new content that you guys can click and actually see as well, and how I use the foundation sticks. But my shade right now that has been in my makeup bag for like the past 2 months is this one right here. This color has been my contour shade. Do you see that glow? Are you seeing that glow? That is foundation and bronzer. Oh my God, I'm obsessed with how that looks. It looks very, very natural. It has great hold, great pigmentation, and you know, I've just been obsessed with it. Let's see, we're going to jump several categories because I really didn't change any powder. I really didn't change brow product. I really didn't change blush. So as far as now, we can talk about the products that I use to create this canvas. You know what I'm saying? I have fallen in love with 4 new brushes from Stilazzi. I've fallen in love with this new angled brush. This is the L312. It is by Stilazzi. It is a natural hair brush, and I love a good cream contour, but I've definitely fallen in love with using a natural hair brush to kind of blend it out, because I feel like I get just a much more connected like look. Like I don't feel like it's choppy. I feel like I can kind of bring it up over powder areas and just really blend all of my makeup in. Close zoom photography, I've been getting great results. So just changing a brush sometimes allows the products that you already have to work better. So yes, this brush by Stilazzi. Next, my new favorite foundation brush. It's a buffer brush. This is the L313. It is by Stilazzi. Again, a natural hair brush. I feel like it just buffs better. I feel like I don't have to worry about the foundation skipping. I don't use as much. I can just do one squirt, buff it over my face. I feel like I'm using a lot less product. I feel like the finish is a lot more fluid, and I'm absolutely obsessed with that brush. Next, the 2 synthetic brushes that I definitely want to talk about. This one is the Precision Pencil Brush. It's the S219. I use this one for my inner waterline because it is a synthetic brush and it doesn't stab me. Can you see that? So it has that point, so I can kind of use that to kind of create a wing. I can also use it on the inner waterline and, you know, just make it do what it do. Also, this one is a new concealer brush. This one is the flat concealer S500. I was a matte concealer girl or a concealer brush user for a long time, but the matte concealer brush I think runs between $24 and $30. The Stilazzi line, the synthetic brushes are under $10. So you can also use the code Kiani at checkout and get yourself, I believe, 25% off. So girl, run to the website and get your new brushes. Let's get into this good technique, honey. Yes, because it's from the brushes. Lastly, I have to talk about the lipsticks that I have worn over and over and over. I mean, of course, I'm talking about products from my line, right? The color I'm wearing right now, you guys always ask about it. It is one of my favorites. That color is called Present. It's a beautiful nude peach, which is perfect for this time of the year. I think peach is the new pink when it comes to summer. And I also love to use the glitter topper, and the shade that I'm wearing right now is Jet Setter. This is when I've had to do extreme stuff. So usually if you see me on live, if you've seen that I've done some videos recent, I've been wearing that shade so much. But I also fell in love with products again from the Stilazzi collection. I'm really not a kind of a berry gloss girl, and that was until I tried this shade. This one is the Bourbon Babe by Stilazzi, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do a quick swatch. These are the lip vinyls. One swatch, boom, and you get all of this beautiful pigment. One swatch, all you need, all over the lip. And for me, I love to put it on with this, which is OMG from my LipTricks collection. So OMG becomes my liquid lip, and it also becomes my lip liner, and I just go ahead and pop Bourbon Babe on top of it to give it a little bit more hold. And of course, because the lip vinyls are wet, they remain wet. You're going to get a little bit of slip if you're in climates such as myself, 102 degrees. But that doesn't stop me from popping a little bit of gloss in the middle to kind of create a little bit more of a ombre effect. And the shade that I've been doing that with is called Tequila Talking. So it's this beautiful, icy, pinky, washed out nude, but it's great for an ombre effect. So those 3 have been my favorite trifecta. Lastly, we have to talk about my nails. Oh my God, I always forget to talk about my nails and my nail tech. Oh my God, when I tell you Lisa is the best in the business, I will leave her information in the description box. She doesn't advertise a lot because she does have a very, very good clientele, but these are my nails. So there are no tips, no caps, none of that. On my nails, the shade that she's using is an SNS Dip Powder in the shade 119. It is my perfect nude color. So those are the things that have been getting me over my funk, that have made me want to turn my camera on today to give you guys a little bit of love. Big thanks to all of my brands that have continued to support me, that have let me heal. I'm on the mend. Your girl's going to start pumping back out some amazing content. I'm super blessed to do what I do. I'm super blessed for the companies that support me. I'm super blessed to have the family support that I've had over the past couple of months. If you guys have reached out in any way, thank you so much for all of your love and support. I'm looking forward to bringing you some amazing content and being back. And you know what? Sharing my passion and living my purpose from right here and sending it to you. So I'm hoping you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment down below on your favorite products that you have been loving. When this video goes up, I will be live answering questions for at least the first hour. So make sure that you comment so I can send my love and gratitude from right here to you. Until next time, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hugs and kisses. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.